In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly upload or change the cover homepage image on your Shopify website. This brief but comprehensive guide is perfect for those looking to freshen up their online store's appearance without any hassle. So let's dive in and sort out your Shopify aesthetic in no time. First of things first, we need to head over to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, you'll want to go to the online store and then click on Themes. This is your central hub for all things design related on your Shopify site. Now look for the Customize button next to the theme you wish to edit. This is where you're about to make some magic happen for your homepage's look. Now you're in the theme editor, which can seem a bit overwhelming if it's your first time here, but don't worry. The key area you're looking for is the section that displays the homepage image. Typically, this is labeled as Image Banner or something similar. You're about to change this so your visitors immediately see a fresh, engaging image when they land on your site. Next up, it's time to upload or change the image. If you're adding a new image, click either Select Image or Add Images, depending on the exact wording in your theme editor. This will open a window allowing you to browse and select the image file from your computer. Make sure your image is high quality and properly sized to maintain a professional look. Now, if you're looking to change an existing image, this process is just as straightforward. You'll see your current image displayed, and you can click Change or Remove to replace it with another. Always consider your branding and the message you want to convey with this key visual element of your site. Once you've uploaded or changed your image, there's an essential last step: saving your changes. Look towards the upper right corner of your screen. There's usually a prominent Save button. A quick click there ensures all your hard work sticks, and your new image is live for all to admire. Now here's a pro tip. While you're in the theme editor, you might spot some optional adjustments you can make. These could be tweaking the image's overlay opacity, or adjusting the banner height, or even shifting your content position. These small tweaks can make a significant impact on how your homepage feels, so it's worth exploring these options to enhance your site's overall appeal. And there we have it. With these steps, you've successfully updated your Shopify homepage image. This small change can greatly influence how users perceive your store, and it's an effective way to keep things dynamic and interesting. Thanks for following along, and happy customizing!